Other freelancers would normally spend hours typing, reading, listening, and slouching on their desks to earn dollars. Today, I'll make sure that you learn how to avoid this online work trap. You can be everywhere and do everything in between and still earn $30 to $70 per hour. You don't have to get yourself stuck in an endless, grueling job that takes so much of your precious time. You can make money online in 2022 just by typing text. If you have a phone, a laptop, and a good connection, just let your fingers do the trick. All you have to do is listen closely till the end of this video because I'm going to show you how to get paid just by typing text online. This is a free opportunity for everyone wherever you are in the world. A few moments from now, I'll be revealing this simple typing trick from a helpful website that lets you earn up to $70 per hour. And this website is the gateway to earn money from other two income-generating platforms. Not a lot of people know about this passive income method, but I'm spreading the word because I believe that we all deserve equal opportunities when it comes to making money online. Before we go further, welcome back to the Online Money Girl channel. This is your online money girl, and I teach people all over the world the best and newest ways to make money online regardless of background and expertise. Here, we will go through ways to make money online with the latest cash generating trends so that you can work on your own terms and live the life you deserve. Remember to subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and press the notification bell so you'll always be up to speed whenever a new video comes up. If you love our content, leave us a comment down below telling us what you like most about our videos. Now, let me demonstrate how typing can help you make money online. Step number 1. On your web browser, type typingtest.com. Typing Test is a website where you can measure the speed and accuracy of your typing skills. They also offer web courses that teach you efficient touch type method for free. As a result, you can double and improve your typing speed. Let's look at the screen on the left side and click Typing Tests. At the center, you may now begin your typing test anytime. You may also choose the duration of your test. You can set the trial to 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or as long as 10 minutes. You may also adjust the difficulty of the text you will type. The options are easy text, medium text, hard text, benchmark, certificate, tricky spelling, blind typing, story typing, themed, and professional. To give you an idea how the test works, let's start typing. Now let's choose 1 minute test and easy text and start. You will now be redirected to a page with the text you have to complete. You can immediately start typing the text below the words that you have to follow. On the upper left, you can see the minutes as well. You may also choose normal mode or pro mode. This time, let's set this test to normal mode. As soon as you start typing, the timer will start trickling down and you will have to type as many words as you can in under a minute. I'll show you how it's done. Once your time is up, it will start analyzing your results and your test scores will be revealed. Here, you will see your typing speed, accuracy, and net speed. Now that we're done with the typing test, let's look at the left side of the screen again and click Typing Courses. In this part of the website, they offer free lessons and training so you can improve your typing skills. You might wonder at this point why you have to go through this, but you will need this for the platforms that I'm going to tell you about shortly. The method of making money for these platforms is typing. That's why the typing tests and lessons are crucial steps for you to succeed. Again, all of these lessons are free, so we highly encourage you to take lessons before proceeding to the actual money-making websites. The faster you type, the more money you can make. I'm already excited that you'll make money online after this video. Stay tuned for the remaining few minutes because this is where I'll finally talk about the two platforms that make typing generate passive income. Also, keep your eyes glued on the screen and listen well because I want you to do it correctly. You'll do yourself a favor by saving time and energy if you try to go through it on your own. Moving on to the next step, once you've successfully taken the typing tests and lessons from typingtest.com, you can simply go to these two websites and start getting paid. In this video, I'll show you two cash-generating websites, so make sure to follow and join me until the end because the more websites you use, the more money you'll make online. Before we get to the most exciting part of the video, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you love the video thus far. If you also find this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. For website number 1, please go to rev.com. That's rev.com. Rev has the largest network of professional transcriptionists in the US. Vetted native English-speaking experts transcribe files 24/7 on Rev. They have an innovative platform that helps teams work accurately and efficiently. Rev has been featured on The Penny Hoarder, Forbes, The Huffington Post, The Work-at-Home Wife, and Business Insider. Now, shift your attention at the center of the screen. Here, you'll see the main services of Rev. You may also opt to caption videos for $1.25 per minute. And you may also work to translate videos with foreign subtitles for $3 to $7 per minute. Foreign subtitles will give you the highest pay since it requires more knowledge and skills. Also, REV or Rev has a straightforward pricing. There's no need to guess how much you'll earn. They are completely transparent with their freelancers and customers. Because transcription services are in demand all over the globe, you will never run out of projects to accomplish on REV. Now let's proceed to the bottom part of the webpage. On the right side, go ahead and click Become a Freelancer. This is where you'll see an overview of how to become a freelancer on Rev, whether through transcribing, captioning, or writing subtitles. On Rev, their freelancing jobs allow you to work as much or as little as you want, whenever you want. You may also enjoy selecting from a variety of projects that actually interest you. Their vast network of customers means a steady stream of freelancing jobs to choose from. You'll also receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all completed work. Rev pays on time and they have a dependable billing system. There are 3 easy steps to make money from Rev. First, you take a quiz to demonstrate your English language and grammar skills. Second, you have to submit a transcription or caption sample, which will be reviewed by a team to ensure it meets customer quality expectations. Lastly, if you're approved, you'll be able to start earning right away. Let's do a little math and learn how much you'll potentially earn. The usual video duration is 3 to 4 minutes. On our calculation here, let's multiply $1.25 to 4 minutes. This gives you $5 for one video. Let's say you'd be able to transcribe 5 videos a day. This gives you a total of $25. Now all that's left for you to do is sign up for free. If you're still with me, then good news because I still have some more juicy info to share to help you make money online. For the last website in this video, please visit transcribeme.com. TranscribeMe offers services like transcription, data annotation, translations, AI datasets, and speech recognition. Their transcription services are currently available in English, Spanish, Portuguese, Mandarin, Cantonese, French, Japanese, and Italian. TranscribeMe is also a trusted partner for brands like Facebook, Harvard University, Cisco, and Genesys. To register freely, at the upper right corner of your screen, click Jobs, then hit the Get Started button. You'll be redirected to a page to create your new account. You will have to fill in your personal details on the provided form and submit it. Once you finish the short registration process, your next step will be to complete their training and exam course. All applicants who successfully pass the training course will be contacted shortly and will have paid work available to them. In some cases, you may have to be put on a short wait list as they process your registration. TranscribeMe has one of the best industry rates with earnings starting at $15 to $22 per audio hour and top monthly earnings at $2,200. They have regular payouts and a steady work stream. All you need to make money online is a reliable internet and a computer. If you find this video valuable, let us know in the comments below and don't forget to hit the big like button. Also, smash the subscribe button and the notification bell because we'll keep you posted for similar legit money-making contents. I truly appreciate you joining me until the end. As always, this is OMG saying BYE. I'll see you in the next one.